Are you trying to get through my obstacle course? I was trying so hard to keep you out of that fountain, and it looks like you're trying to find a way through. Huh? No, don't touch. That's not for you. That's the cat's fountain. That's their water, Grayson, not yours. Come on out of there. You're gonna be stuck in that cage chair. Oh, water fountain. Oh, how you remember the days of splashing in the water fountain. Boy, you're smart. Yeah, we'll leave that water fountain be. Go play with your toys. I'm sure that Savannah would love you to chase her. Do you have the key? Do you have the key? Why are you climbing on me? You got all those great toys. And you're climbing on Mommy. Okay.